Hey everybody! So I have a whiteboard, I have a marker, and I'm ready to show some things that we did before. When we're doing the quick review, these are problems that you should recognize as things that you did yesterday, maybe last week, maybe even last year. So they should ring a bell and feel pretty good to you. So let's take a look here. We have a pattern, something that's going to repeat over and over again. Our job is two things. First, we have to find the pattern unit. What is the stem, the repeating part of the pattern? And then we have to extend it to this missing box here. We don't know what would be next. So I usually say it out loud because sometimes when I do that, it makes sense. Orange, green, purple, blue. Orange, green, purple, blue. Orange, green. See what I mean? See, when you bring your voice into it, sometimes it's a little easier to realize what's happening over and over again. Your eyes can do it too, though, because I see this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then it seems to start over again. See how this one is the same as this one, and then the greens are the same, and the purples are the same, and the blues are the same, and then it starts over again. Right? So really what we want to find out is what happens after the green. Every time you get a green, there should be, So one part of this is to figure out what comes next. We would call that like extending the pattern, right? You're keeping it going. The other part is to identify the pattern unit. What is actually happening here? Well, we're going orange, green, purple, blue, and then it just does it all over again. So the stem is the unique part of the pattern that gets repeated over and over again. So instead of trying to draw each of these, I'm just going to say it's orange, green, purple, blue, right? Or A, B, C, D. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. You could name this pattern a lot of different things, but there are 4 things that are happening, and then those same things happen again. Okay? Let me get rid of some of that so that it's not distracting for us as we move down to the second one. Same job. We have to extend the pattern, and here we have to find the pattern unit. This one, they kept the shape the same, but they were using the color to make a pattern. Right? All different colors, maybe I should say. This one, they're not using colors. And instead, they're not even changing the shape. Instead, they're using the position, or they're making a pattern by turning an object over and over again. Watch what happens. Up, right, down, left. And then it does it again. Up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left, up. Let's see if I can't draw this one. Pretty good at drawing cones from all the ice cream I eat. And there's some lines on it. Pointing up, though, is the point, or is the important thing there. And then the second part of that is to realize that the stem, the part of the pattern unit, is up, right, down, left. Yeah. Over and over again. This should ring a bell for you as something that we've been doing over the last couple days. Alternating colors, using turns, position, shape, sometimes more than one at the same time to make a pattern. Thanks, everybody. I'll meet you on the next slide.